Why everyone is getting the butterfly cut? This haircut is everywhere right now. If you have been on this channel lately, you have probably seen this haircut everywhere. It's soft, layered, and gives that bouncy, expensive salon look without needing a blow cut every single day. What makes it so popular is how versatile it is. You can wear it pin straight for a sleek, polished look, or let it air dry wavy for something more relaxed and romantic. It works beautifully with certain bang framing the face without looking too heavy, and if you have got some natural texture, this cut actually enhances it instead of fighting against it. Colorists are loving it too because the layers show off balayage and highlights in a way that flat one here just can't. The best part, it's low maintenance once you get the cut right. A little mouse, a round brush, and you are done in just 15 minutes. If you're due for a haircut, this is worth bringing to your stylist. Save this video and follow for the more hair inspiration every single day.